Hello and welcome back to Wallist Tutorials. Today we will be going over how to build your public profile. This is also known as your business listing page or business marketing page. You can use it as your own personal website if you'd like. To get to it, you can just click on this URL here. If we want to update the URL, it's simple to do. Just click on Update the URL, and this is where the website is found. Click Edit. Let's say we just want to shorten it to Hank's Plumbing. See if that's available, hit save, and it is. So to get back to our dashboard, just click on Dashboard. To go ahead and get started on building our free business listing from Wallist, go ahead and click on Complete My Profile. Any of the edit areas are obviously editable areas. You can click on them to add your services, descriptions, photos, whatever you'd like. To get started, we'll go ahead and change our banner image. And this is the image up at the top. You can drag and drop in or select the file from your computer. We'll click on the profile picture, which is the little box image. We'll drop in a picture of a faucet. From here, the most important area is going to be the services that you provide. And the reason this is so important is this is how our whole website operates. When customers come to our page, they're looking for the services that you select, for example, will be found by the zip code that they live in. They'll match the contractors in that area by zip code with the services that are marked on here. So we are in the plumbing business. So we see plumbing contractors is generating, just typing that in. And go ahead and select all of the items that you will provide as a service. I'm just going to quickly select a few here. You can go through the whole list if you like. I'm just going to select those. If you want to see all of the services that are available on Wallist, go ahead and click View All Services. Or if there's something you see on here that you think we should add, just click on the Suggest Service. For right now, we'll go ahead and add services. So those have been generated. You can continue to add services if you wish. We do have a featured business page that you can do. You can add featured services just by clicking the star next to the item. So for example, let's say we wanted to do a featured bathroom plumbing page. We'll get rid of these here. Go ahead and put the star next to it, and I'll show you how that works. So you see where this becomes clickable because we featured it. You can actually make your own dedicated page for whatever trade that you selected as featured. This was bathroom plumbing, so you could say how you specialize in bathroom plumbing or remodels and such. And so getting back to the home, let's finish filling some of this stuff out here. In general information, this is going to be the short description of what you do, and we'll put that in here. This is can be up to 160 characters. This is pulled or indexed through Google, so Google will look at what you have in here is pretty important. The phone number 402. Let's say 123. 1234. And if you have a website, go ahead and put in your website right there, and we'll make it linkable to your page if anyone comes across your Wallist page. Go ahead and click Submit. And we'll put in the About. The About is your long description of what you do. Make that as long as you wish. You can have up to 5,000 characters right down here. It shows I'm using 1,800. Typed in some stuff that ChatGPT helped me out with here, and just pasted it in. And again, this is a description of what you do, how you're the best, tell the customer what they want to hear on what services you can provide for them and why you can do it better than anyone else. So go ahead and click Submit. And if you have photos, we can drop in some photos here. Just click on the upload photos. And again, this is drag and drop, makes it super easy. If you're on job sites, customers like to see new, fresh look. So if you have before and after pictures, I highly encourage using this feature, updating pictures on your job sites, before and after pictures, for example, or just anything you think the customer wants to see. So let's go back to the home. Looks like we're good to publish our profile. Let's just kind of look this over here real quick. Looks like we could down here edit social links. If you have a Facebook page, X page, or Instagram, you can post those URLs in here and we will link them to those pages for you. Okay. Again, this is your business networking page for business listings. And we do offer a service where we can remove the Wallist branding. Let's go ahead and publish this. So if you want this Wallist branding and this top menu bar removed, we can add that. Just contact us, and we do offer that as a service. Just reach out to us, and we are more than happy to work with you on that. And other than that, we did publish our profile. It does give you a few things in case we missed something of what you can do to make your page better. You have an 82% completion, and that's just because we didn't have any social links to put in there. And so if you want to become a verified contractor or page, go ahead and shoot us an email at support@wallist.com, and we can verify your information and give you the checkbox to make you a verified badge, basically, on your business. So let us know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.